Well, hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals, and it's our weekend edition. Everybody's working for the weekend. Big weekend here in North America as the NCAA men's basketball tournament fully engaged. Upset Central, Cinderella stories, and all the hoopla around it. You know, when I was on the trading floor, trading would basically come to a stop as people were tuned into their alma mater if they were lucky enough to make the dance. And people were watching basketball, man, and that's just the way it was, and I'm sure still is with anybody that's left on a trading floor, if there is anybody. Hello, is there anybody in there? Anyway, you know what, we don't even need to do the rounds because I'm going to spend this weekend edition segment right here, and we're not going to do the rounds, we're not going to go do the vitals, none of those things, because really what you need to do is see this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, Cryptos Never Sleep. Incredible opportunity for longer-term direction coming up here this weekend, in my opinion. And I read today, you know, I could bring up the two headlines. One, Bitcoin going to $1,800, and the other one, Bitcoin going to $10,000. The BitMEX CEO and some other prognosticator technician. And for me, listen, man, they had a nice day today, a nice comeback. How about that? We filled the gap. Bitcoin right now trading 4,045. Had the gap filled, but we got such small ranges, such small value ranges, and it's just we need a breakout here, one way or the other. And I'd be happy to see either one happen, because we can talk about, tradable ranges again. Forget about a tradable range here right now in a lot of these things. But there was a renewed ghost in the machine here today. A little pushback here, and BNB finding momentum again, and Litecoin looking all right. But really important here. Right now, Bitcoin currently trading in up momentum on the weekly. Need to see them close here, and would be way more powerful of a chart setup if they could go make new highs for the week and push towards that monthly lower momentum level. Now, as we talked before, you know, we are now into the third week of March. That means next week, March goes away, and we get to roll the monthly. So next Sunday night, not only is this Sunday night going to be next, must-see TV, pretty much every Sunday night is must-see TV. And we're going to roll a month, we're going to roll a week here, and then next week. And it's getting to that point where I just don't think these things are going to trade sideways for much longer. I think we got either a capitulation and we're going to go revisit and make new lows for the year, or this stuff's going to moonshot, and all you got to do is mind the momentum. All right, the momentum in Bitcoin of 40.19 on that weekly chart. The lower momentum 36.53. So this market has collapsed, and we're in this range that I think we break out of. I hope we break out of, because there's nothing to talk about if there isn't any price discovery to talk about as far as Blockchain Vitals is concerned. Now, Market Vitals, on the other hand, in the fiat world, there's lots of stuff moving all over the place. And we will soon be getting to those discussions, a whole different segment. But that's what I'm seeing in crypto right now. I'm seeing a continuing consolidation. Love to see a close with some strength here Saturday and Sunday, because we're going to have listen to me, we close real strong or real weak this weekend. I really think it sets up the next several weeks' play in cryptos. Anyway, if you're watching NCAA games for the weekend, please enjoy that, as I will for sure. If not, just enjoy the weekend. That's what you made it here. You made it to the weekend. You might as well enjoy it. All right, I'll be back Sunday night for Blockchain Vitals Weekly, that weekly segment to talk about where this all shook out over the weekend and what to look forward to going into next week and the last week of the month. And then we got a new month coming right down the pipe the end of next week. And we get to talk to Monthly Fractal once again as that rolls. You guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you Sunday night for Blockchain Vitals weekend segment. Again, thank you so much for watching.